Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I had a little bit of a technical difficulty with one of my other videos. Whatever reason, I was facing the camera towards my face. It was like in selfie mode for whatever reason. Like I can't figure it out why it was in selfie mode. I guess I've tapped it, but here you go. Here's what we're actually looking at. Oh, why are you coming out? Hey, look, the power's back on. Wow. Power came back on, guys. I wouldn't be surprised if it goes back out. Nah, I think they got a backup generator somewhere, but yeah. Okay, so the power's back on, guys. We can see again. There's the wall. There's the light, tree, you know, yada yada. As for the rain part of this, guys, still don't really know. Honestly, it's up in the air. Whoa. That was some hard wind. Okay, step back. It's windy again. Let me see. Okay. Interesting. So we can officially say we got some rain. Not too much of it, but we can say it because we did just a bit. Wow. Wow, okay. So if it starts raining, I may just move to the back, but that's raining. It's raining. Whoa. I heard a big branch somewhere. Oh yeah, it's raining good. Let's see. What should I do? Cover my phone up here. It's raining. I'm not so sure I want to get into this again. We'll go back to the back, okay? Hold up.
Something was crawling on me.
Uh-oh.
Something probably blew on me when I was outside. Either that or it was just Max's tail tickling me.
I ain't seen you move this fast in a while.
I don't know if something was actually crawling on me or it was just Max's tail.
Okay. So yeah, that was, you just heard all the talking in my house. But this is the outside front yard. Honestly, I haven't been out here the whole time. So I'm not really sure how it's been out here. I'm not really sure about anything right now because, okay, here comes the rain. It's really raining now. Oh man, guys. I really hope I can get my first video on. My first video was so intense, and a dust storm warning literally interrupted it. A dust storm warning. Can you believe that? As if I didn't know. Can you believe that? As if I didn't know there was a dust storm. By the time it sent me it, guys, it was like fog outside. I couldn't see. My eyes were hurting. It's raining though. It is raining. Oh, there's some lightning over there too. Obviously it's over there though. That was where I was filming last night, or on my other video, if you're not caught up to speed yet. Yeah, of course there's already lightning right there, because everything always passes us and then blows up right there. Watch. If it gets good enough over there for like a firework kind of thing, like a light show, I'll show you it. It's kind of BS, but we're getting rain. I'm not mad. I'm not mad because we're getting rain. I don't know what part of the storm we got, honest to death, but yeah, now there's lightning south of us, so that's just kind of funny. It always does that, y'all. You believe that? It's kind of silly, really. Well, here we are. Monsoon 2018. It's been dusty. Let's just say that. If we're gonna check in right now with the year, it's been really dusty. Man. Yeah, and if you're just tuning into this video, or if you skipped part 1 and 2 of this video, then you don't know that the power went out, or do you? No, you do. It came back on in this one. Never mind. Yeah. This is the one it came back on in. So yeah, the power did go out. It was out for a while before this video. Double daddy in it. And in other news, it was the first day of school for a lot of the kids today. So if there's anything besides the storm that I'm thinking about, or at least was thinking about, that and I'm just really tired. I don't know why I woke up at 7 a.m. today, but a little bit of wind. See the wind blowing a little bit. I had to move out to this area because I just didn't want to do what I did last year, where I stood out in the backyard and got soaked. So, man. Anyway, guys, I may end the video, or depends. I mean, because we got some rain. I think that's what we get. For reference, this blew in from the north. This blew in from the north. Just for a little reference. Wow. The wind is still kind of moving, but it's not that bad. When the dust storm, oh my gosh. I could not believe the wind when the dust storm came in, my guy. And gal, I should say. That's like the first thunder roll I've heard. I'll say this, the lightning. So the lightning aspect of this storm, it was definitely a lot more, you know, to the north of us. Now, obviously, who knows, maybe it'll get worse, but for some reason I feel like that's not too, let me, hold up a sec. Man. Uh-oh. Ooh. Some wind now, guys. Uh-oh. Ooh. Can't see it, unfortunately, because it's nighttime, but oh my gosh. Man, look at that. That's about the only thing I can show you, the only visual. Unfortunately, with the rain.